Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another product review from Etenwolf, the Zephyr S5 tire inflator. Coming up next. That is right. Hopefully another great product following our last review of their digital gauge and inflator. If you haven't seen those, check up here. They sent this out to me. It is their latest, greatest little portable compressor. Does 0 to 160 PSI for pretty much any tire I think you need. 100% duty cycle. USB-C charging, so if you want to charge a mobile device, you can do that as well. Automatic shut-off, so you can set your pressure. Walk away and it'll shut off when it's done, so no need to worry about overinflating a tire. It's a power bank, like I said, so you can charge other devices as well off of it. And it comes with a bunch of different presets for vehicles or tires or whatnot. And also, we're going to play what's in the box. A whole bunch of accessories, the air chuck, high pressure nozzle, inflation needle for sports balls, your Schrader valve adapter, yeah. Whole bunch of different stuff, your charger and your USB cable for charging it. So let's go ahead, open up the box and see what's inside. You can tell I have not opened it up yet to see what's inside, so we're looking through this both for the first time. Nice packaging, that's for sure. Let's see, we've got our instruction manual. Maybe we'll need that, maybe we won't. And a baggie full of our inflator. There we go. We have our accessories and charge cable here. This again here, you go ahead and clip it onto your tire, walk away if you need to. Certainly helpful for like our pickup, for example, that frequently gets down to 30 PSI on the front tires. That's no good. Anyways, USB-C charger, cable, that's always handy to have. Then of course the device itself. Small little compact package, not overly heavy. Plastic case, but seems sturdy, that's for sure. Your air hose wraps around the back here. So plenty long to get into your tires. It looks by a 3 foot or so hose. So plenty of room to get to your tires, whether it's your pickup, your camper, or just inflating your kids' sports balls. On the back of here, you've got those different fittings. So we're going to leave those in there for right now. But what I'm going to do is wander over to one of the vehicles and we'll look at getting this, filling up one of the tires. Let's check it first. We've got our power. See if we can focus on it and not me. Our battery does show fully charged. I'm probably going to top it off just to be sure. We've got our different units of measure here. Depending on where you are in the world, I'm going to keep it on PSI for us here in the States. We've got a mode. You got vehicle, sports balls, bicycles, motorcycles, cars, or manual here. And you do have the option to set your pressure. Not 160 pounds. I'm going to back this way down. And you get the drill. Got a light on here as well. So if you got to work in the dark, you've got that option. Or if you need assistance, you've got different options there for locating and alerting help. So I'm going to go ahead and quick top this thing off on the charger. Then I'll go over and show how easy it hopefully is to fill up a tire. Alrighty, we've got our inflator set up here on the X5, I went ahead and let out a bunch of air on one of the tires. It should be at 36 pounds. It's down now at 24 pounds. I have this set in the manual mode. The vehicle modes are set for 35 and 34 PSI by default, so I want to get to 36. I'm going to go ahead and drop this down all the way. Like I said, this is automatic, so once we hit the button, we can walk away and it'll stop when it gets to our 36 pounds. So we landed at 36.2 pounds on the gauge here. You could tell at the end it ramped down the speed of the compressor. So instead of going full bore all the way to the end, tapered off, and we ended right where we should be. Whole process took about 2 minutes to get, again, 12, 13 pounds of air into the vehicle. Let's wander back over to the workbench. Well, color me impressed. This little Etenwolf Zephyr S5 inflator, definitely going to be earning its keep around here this year. Took care of the car tires, no problem. Again, bike tires, truck tires, sports balls, whatever the case may be, they should be able to handle it for you. Also, I mentioned earlier, it does act as a battery bank as well. So if I want to go ahead and plug in my phone, there's a USB-C and a USB-A plug on the back. I can go ahead and do that. And now we're charging. So 35 minutes until fully charged. Not a bad deal there. So definitely, like I said, easier than dragging a air compressor out to wherever you've got a flat or a low tire, or possibly easier than dragging whatever is flat or low to your compressor. So a side-by-side, bike tires, whatever the case may be, this is going to take care of it for you. I'm going to drop a link to this below in the description, as well as put it in my Amazon affiliates store. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, I'd be appreciative of that. And for right now, we're going to get going. But thanks for watching this. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell, and be notified whenever we've got new product reviews coming out. We've got the other one for the other Etenwolf products, came out a couple weeks ago. You can go check that out as well. And we've got more product reviews coming soon, as well as our regular scheduled content for automotive stuff every other Saturday. So until the next video, hope you're having fun doing whatever you're doing. And if you need air, grab yourself one of these. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.